After age 50, muscle loss can quietly steal your strength, balance, and independence. Simple daily tasks become harder and the risk of falls increases dramatically. The good news: the right exercises can slow and even reverse age-related muscle loss. Start today to stay strong, active, confident, and independent for many healthy years ahead. Number 1. Chair squats. Chair squats are one of the safest and most effective exercises for older adults in the United States who want to fight muscle loss. This exercise strengthens the thighs, hips, and glutes, which are the major muscles needed for standing, walking, and climbing stairs. Start by placing a sturdy chair behind you. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your chest lifted. Slowly bend your knees and lower yourself until your hips lightly touch the chair. Do not collapse onto the seat. Press through your heels and stand back up. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Move slowly and keep your knees aligned with your toes. Chair squats improve lower body strength, balance, and mobility, which are often reduced by sarcopenia. Stronger leg muscles help reduce the risk of falls and make daily activities easier. This exercise also increases confidence when getting out of a chair or car. Beginners can use their hands on the chair for support, while stronger individuals can cross their arms over the chest for a greater challenge. Practicing chair squats 3 or 4 times per week can help maintain independence, improve stability, and support healthy aging by keeping the largest muscles of the body active and engaged every day. Number 2. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are an excellent upper body exercise for adults over 50 who want to prevent sarcopenia without putting excessive stress on the joints. This movement strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and upper back while improving posture and everyday pushing strength. Stand facing a wall and place your hands on it slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Step back about 2 feet and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Pause briefly, then push yourself back to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Keep your core engaged and avoid arching your lower back. Wall push-ups are easier than floor push-ups, making them ideal for beginners or anyone with limited strength. Regular practice helps improve the ability to push open doors, rise from a chair, and carry household items. This exercise also supports shoulder stability, which becomes increasingly important with age. As strength improves, step farther away from the wall to increase the challenge. Performing wall push-ups 3 or 4 times per week can help preserve upper body muscle mass, improve functional strength, and support an active lifestyle for older adults across the United States every single day. Number 3. Step-ups. Step-ups are one of the best functional exercises for preventing age-related muscle loss because they closely mimic everyday movements like climbing stairs. This exercise targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also improving balance and coordination. Use a sturdy step, staircase, or low exercise platform about 6 to 8 inches high. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Place your right foot firmly on the step, press through your heel, and lift your body until both feet are on the platform. Step down slowly, leading with the same foot. Repeat 10 to 12 repetitions before switching sides. Complete 2 or 3 sets while maintaining controlled movements. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and avoid rushing. If necessary, hold a handrail or sturdy surface for support. Step-ups strengthen the muscles that help you walk confidently, climb stairs safely, and reduce the risk of falls. They also improve heart health by gently increasing your heart rate. As your strength improves, increase the height of the step or hold light dumbbells for additional resistance. Performing step-ups 3 times each week helps maintain lower body power, supports healthy aging, and allows older adults to remain active, independent, and confident in everyday activities for many years to come. Number 4. Resistance band rows. Resistance band rows are a highly effective exercise for preserving upper body muscle mass and improving posture in adults over 50. As muscle loss progresses with age, the back and shoulder muscles often become weaker, leading to rounded shoulders and poor posture. Sit or stand with a resistance band securely anchored in front of you. Hold one end of the band in each hand with your arms fully extended. Pull the band toward your waist by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Pause for 1 second, then slowly return to the starting position. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid shrugging during the movement. Resistance band rows strengthen the upper back, shoulders, biceps, and core muscles while improving stability and balance. Strong back muscles make lifting groceries, carrying bags, and maintaining good posture much easier. This exercise also helps reduce neck and shoulder discomfort caused by weak muscles and poor alignment. As your strength increases, choose a band with greater resistance while maintaining proper form. Practicing resistance band rows 3 or 4 times each week helps fight sarcopenia, supports healthy posture, increases functional strength, and allows older adults to enjoy greater confidence and independence throughout their daily lives with comfort. Number 5. Standing calf raises. Standing calf raises are a simple yet powerful exercise for strengthening the lower legs and improving balance in older adults. Healthy calf muscles are essential for walking, climbing stairs, maintaining stability, and preventing falls. Stand behind a sturdy chair or countertop and lightly hold it for balance if needed. Place your feet hip-width apart with your toes pointing forward. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet by lifting your heels as high as possible. Hold the top position for 1 or 2 seconds, then lower your heels back to the floor in a slow and controlled manner. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Keep your posture upright and avoid leaning forward during the exercise. Standing calf raises strengthen the calf muscles, ankles, and feet while improving circulation in the lower legs. Strong calves help you walk longer distances with less fatigue and improve your ability to react quickly if you lose balance. As your strength improves, perform the exercise on one leg or hold light dumbbells for additional resistance. Completing calf raises at least 3 times each week supports healthy aging, preserves muscle mass, enhances mobility, and helps older adults maintain confidence, independence, and an active lifestyle throughout their later years with greater ease. Number 6. Glute bridges. Glute bridges are one of the most effective exercises for rebuilding strength in the hips, glutes, and lower back, which are essential for preventing age-related muscle loss. Strong glute muscles improve walking, standing, climbing stairs, and maintaining good posture throughout the day. Lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Tighten your abdominal muscles and press through your heels as you slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for 2 seconds while squeezing your glutes, then slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Avoid arching your lower back and keep the movement smooth and controlled. Glute bridges strengthen the muscles that support the spine and pelvis, helping reduce lower back discomfort while improving balance and mobility. As strength improves, hold the top position longer or perform the exercise using one leg at a time. Practicing glute bridges 3 or 4 times each week helps preserve muscle mass, improve stability, increase functional strength, and support an active, independent lifestyle for older adults throughout the United States every single day. Number 7. Standing dumbbell shoulder press. The standing dumbbell shoulder press is an excellent resistance exercise for maintaining upper body muscle mass and improving everyday functional strength. This movement targets the shoulders, upper arms, and upper back while also engaging the core muscles to improve balance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart while holding a light dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level. Keep your elbows slightly in front of your body and your palms facing forward. Slowly press the weights overhead until your arms are nearly straight without locking your elbows. Pause briefly at the top, then lower the dumbbells slowly back to shoulder height. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets using a weight that allows proper form. Keep your core engaged and avoid leaning backward during the movement. Strong shoulders make daily tasks such as placing items on shelves, lifting groceries, and carrying household objects much easier. This exercise also improves posture and shoulder stability, reducing the risk of injury during everyday activities. As your strength increases, gradually use slightly heavier dumbbells while maintaining controlled movements. Performing shoulder presses 3 times each week helps combat sarcopenia, preserve muscle strength, improve confidence, and support healthy, independent living well into older adulthood for many active Americans. Number 8. Bird dog exercise. The bird dog exercise is a highly recommended movement for older adults because it strengthens the core, back, hips, and shoulders while improving balance and coordination. These benefits are especially important for preventing falls and reducing the effects of sarcopenia. Begin on your hands and knees with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Tighten your abdominal muscles and keep your back in a neutral position. Slowly extend your right arm forward while extending your left leg straight behind you. Hold the position for 2 or 3 seconds without letting your hips rotate or your back sag. Return to the starting position and repeat with the opposite arm and leg. Complete 10 repetitions on each side for 2 or 3 sets. Focus on slow, controlled movements instead of speed. The bird dog exercise improves stability, strengthens the muscles surrounding the spine, and enhances body awareness during movement. Strong core muscles make walking, standing, and lifting objects much safer and easier. As your balance improves, increase the hold time or perform the movement more slowly for an added challenge. Practicing bird dogs several times each week helps maintain muscle strength, improve mobility, and support long-term independence and confidence in everyday life. Number 9. Farmer's carry. The farmer's carry is one of the most practical exercises for preventing sarcopenia because it strengthens multiple muscle groups at the same time while improving grip strength, balance, posture, and endurance. Grip strength is closely linked to healthy aging and overall physical function, making this exercise especially valuable for adults over 50. Hold a light to moderate dumbbell or kettlebell in each hand with your arms relaxed at your sides. Stand tall with your shoulders pulled back, your chest lifted, and your core engaged. Walk forward at a comfortable pace for 30 to 60 seconds while maintaining good posture. Avoid leaning to one side or swinging the weights. Rest for 1 minute and repeat for 2 or 3 rounds. The farmer's carry strengthens the hands, forearms, shoulders, back, core, hips, and legs, helping make everyday activities like carrying groceries, lifting luggage, and moving household items much easier. It also improves walking stability and coordination, reducing the likelihood of falls. As your strength increases, gradually choose slightly heavier weights or extend your walking distance while maintaining proper technique. Performing farmer's carries 3 times each week helps preserve muscle mass, improve functional strength, enhance confidence, and support an active, independent lifestyle for older adults throughout the United States every single day. Number 10. Single leg balance with leg lift. The single leg balance with leg lift is an outstanding exercise for older adults because it combines muscle strengthening with balance training, 2 essential components for preventing sarcopenia and reducing fall risk. Stand beside a sturdy chair or countertop for support if needed. Shift your weight onto your left leg while keeping your posture upright and your core muscles engaged. Slowly lift your right leg a few inches off the floor and hold your balance for several seconds. Once steady, gently move the lifted leg forward, then back to the starting position without touching the ground. Repeat 10 to 12 times before switching to the opposite leg. Complete 2 or 3 sets on each side while breathing normally. Keep your movements slow and controlled, avoiding sudden shifts in body position. This exercise strengthens the hips, thighs, calves, ankles, and core muscles while improving coordination and body awareness. Better balance makes walking on uneven surfaces, climbing stairs, and performing daily activities much safer. As your ability improves, reduce your reliance on support or increase the holding time for greater difficulty. Practicing this exercise 3 or 4 times each week helps preserve muscle strength, improve stability, enhance mobility, and maintain independence, allowing older adults to enjoy healthier, more active lives with greater confidence every day.